Welcome to this Geneious Biologics tutorial video on navigating the platform, uploading data, and making and sharing folders. When you log in to Geneious Biologics, the Getting Started landing page allows you to quickly annotate your sequences. You can easily load tutorial data here as well, though your organization will come with data preloaded. On the left is your folder tree for data organization, as well as your reference databases, users, groups, name schemes, labels, and a section for viewing the jobs you run and contacting support. More on users and groups can be found in a separate video. If you go to a folder with sequence data in it, you can view the files in the folder, and if you click on a file, you can see the sequence table here, and the sequence viewer here. To simplify your view, you can pop out the sequence table and sequence viewer. To make folders, click here and select New Folder. Users commonly name folders after experiments. You can manage sharing folders and modify read-write permissions with everyone in your user group in the options here. You can also move folders by dragging and dropping. To upload files into your folders, you can either drag and drop the files from your desktop to whichever folder, or by selecting this Upload button. You can check the status of your upload by navigating to the Uploads tab here. You can also jump back to the folder you're uploading files to by selecting the results link here. Geneious Biologics currently supports uploading FASTA, FASTQ, Geneious, GenBank, and AB1 sequence files, as well as CSV and Excel files. For more information about Geneious Biologics, visit geneious.com/biologics.